Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Karrie here. So next video we will talk about the download option into the file menu. So we will go into the file menu and then we select the download option, right? So when we click on the download, right, you guys can see the multiple download option available in the Google Docs, right? So I can download as a MS Office file, I can download as a open document, I can download as a RTF, PDF, plain text, web or .epub file as well, right? So these are the different options based upon your application or the operating system of your computer you guys can download, right? So this is one of the very beautiful option in the Google Docs, right? So I will go into the file menu, then download, and I will click on to the open document format, right? .odt. So because I have that office, that application installed into my operating system, so this kind of file will download onto your local computer and I am able to open that, right? So you guys can see now the file is opening in front of me. So the file which I was editing online is also available now offline. So this is one of the very beautiful option available into the Google Doc, right? You can download your working file offline as well, right? Or you can upload your offline file online as well, right? So this is a very good option, right? So hope you guys enjoy this video. Kindly please do comment about this video, right? And share with your friends, right? And the user who are new on this channel, please do subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.